Whoa, this looks like black magic, simply unreal editing in Luminar Neo. Hi, in my previous video, I shared some of my best alternatives for Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. And my best recommendation for working on your photos was Luminar Neo. Luminar Neo is a software by Skylum, the same guys who made Luminar AI before. Luminar Neo is an advanced and more updated version of Luminar AI and has some additional features as well. Here's a clear chart which describes all the differences between Luminar Neo and Luminar AI on their site. Best part about both these applications is that they are available for one-time payment purchase and not require any kind of subscriptions or a monthly payment like Adobe plans. So let us check out all features of Luminar Neo now. You can access Luminar Neo with its own application or as a plugin with another photo editing application, including photo apps on Mac. In its own application, Luminar Neo has an easy interface. Layers on the left, pictures in the middle, and on the right hand side, all the tools and presets that are available in Luminar Neo. Luminar Neo does support raw image processing as well. I'm going to begin with some really cool features as they use the AI capabilities of the software and make things happen automatically and truly magically. First one is removal of power lines and dust spots from the sensor. Here is a good picture to use for this particular reference with plenty of power lines. And with just one click of this button, all those grid lines are just removed. Ain't that amazing? Another tool which Luminar is famous for is sky selection. For this, you should have sky vividly available in your picture. You can simply click on sky selection and select the kind of sky you want. Luminar Neo in this case uses AI to understand what is the sky and not only just replaces it, but changes the entire scene lighting based on the sky you have chosen. You have further options to make smaller adjustments as well to that entire scene. What do you think about that, huh? And wait, we are only getting started. Enhance is another option which uses the power of artificial intelligence to enhance your photographs, automatically improving contrast, saturation, exposure, all to make your pictures pop and bring them more to life. Take a look at this picture and what Enhance option can do overall just by this one slider. Sky Enhancer detects and analyzes the sky in an image to improve the texture, tone, and the color of the sky itself. It also detects objects in the foreground and their edges for a perfect masking. Another brilliant AI-based new feature is Relight. Relight will allow you to actually relight the entire scene intelligently based on an object which is near and the scene which is far in the picture. For instance, in this example, you can see increasing the brightness near adds more light on my face, while decreasing the brightness far reduces the brightness behind the scene. Changing the depth will help you rearrange the depth of the light falling between the subject and the background. Ain't that really cool? Another AI-based option is Atmosphere, which will add fog, mist or haze to your picture based on the existing scene. You also have the Sunrays option, which will allow you to control sun rays by placing the point on the sun's center, and rest will be taken care of by simply changing the settings of sun rays length and penetration. That's what she said. Well, these are all great options for landscape. Let's talk about some options of portrait photography as well. Well, Luminar AI does not disappoint here as well. There are AI options for portrait bokeh that allows you to quickly have the blur effect to a particular picture's background. And you can control the blur intensity, etc. by these sliders. Well, Face AI allows you to do multiple things, including relighting the face, playing with eyes, iris colors, dark circle removals, improving your eyebrows, and maybe, just maybe, creating a version of you which might scare you to death. Another option like Skin AI is interesting with that regards and applies only subtle touches to improve your overall skin quality, which will be very helpful in portrait pictures. Over and above this, there are presets in Luminar Neo, and presets are not just filters, but presets understand the image and rework lights, highlights, contrast, sky, skin, etc. You can also adjust the level of the preset effect that should be applied in a picture. And if you still prefer to have manual controls, you have all the traditional tools from adjusting exposure, white balance, contrast, shadow, working with curves, optics, etc. all under the develop option. One major advantage that I found in this application is the ability to see all edits you have made in each tool. So you can individually make the changes or remove any one of the changes, and it does not really affect your overall edit. Onto your left, you can see skins that you can add to your image, and there are several already built in this application. But if you wish to choose more, then you can get additional assets from Skylum's marketplace. By the way, for all the LUT lovers, there is an option called Mood, where you can upload your existing LUTs to the Luminar Neo or use pre-built ones already. Hope you find this helpful in making up your mind if you were planning to choose Luminar Neo as your next photo editing and touch-up software, especially when it comes at a nominal fee in comparison to the Adobe application like Lightroom. As you have made it till the end of the video, I have an interesting proposition for you. The first 20 pictures which I receive in my Twitter DM, I will rework them on Luminar Neo and share it back with you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are interested in technology related stories from the past on pioneers like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates and other tech gurus, then check out the short section on the channel, and I will see you in the next one.